Hey there, welcome back. We're going to be working with our core today. And one of the things I love the most when it comes to the human body is the core. I spent more than 10 years studying the core, how it moves us, and how to implement more core activation, not only into our workouts, but into our everyday lives. And one of the things I have found that is the most effective tool when it comes to core work is a mini ball. And so I absolutely love our mini ball. They're rated for more than 350 pounds, so it doesn't matter what size body you have. But when implementing this tool correctly, you can work your core up to 10 times more effectively than a sit-up. That's 408 times more effective than probably the majority of the core movements that you're doing. And one of the reasons why this is our secret sauce here at Mother Trucker Yoga when it comes to core work is because when you're doing sit-ups, you can't extend any further back than what the floor is allowing you to. But when you're using a mini ball, you have the ability to move your body back into extension. And what most people aren't telling you is that it's the extension in core work that works your core muscles the hardest and the most effectively. It's not the flexion. And up until this point, you probably have been overly focused on all this flexion work and not enough on extension work. And if you spend the majority of your day seated in a flexed position, you aren't doing your body any favors when it comes to thinking sit-ups are helping you build a strong, healthy, hard core. Over the next several videos, I'm going to take you through how to use this tool to help build your core 10 times more effectively than any other exercise when it comes to the core you've been doing up to this point. Let's get started. All right. I want to thank Lawfer Trucking for the use of not only their truck, but their facility. We appreciate you.